Good morning, guys. My name is Akbar. Welcome back to my channel. Today, today we are going to talk about SonarQube. What is this SonarQube and why we use this SonarQube in a DevOps point of view? Before building the code, the validation of code is really important. So once you validate the code, then you can go ahead and build and deploy. So to check the quality of the code, we are going to use the SonarQube as part of continuous integration, which is CI. Where this exactly the base package is available is sonarcube.org. Okay, let me have a quick walkthrough of this document for a while, and then we'll have a discussion. So basically, I want to explain you the flow, how the flow works. So when developers push the code, after that CI/CD will trigger. So after that, Sonar scan will happen. Sonar server show the results, and then the build will happen. So here you can say it's gonna trigger CI/CD and then the Sonar Cube. Basically, in some projects they use before Sonar before the building it, and few of them can use after building the code. They scan the code. So basically, once you scan the code, you know the quality of the code, how many bugs are there, how duplicate lines are there, what is the real issues with the code. Okay. If you come a little bit down, this is the exact step what I have about to do in the lab. So once we have a lab is clear, once we install the sonar and all, then we have a steps to configure the in Jenkins. Okay, how you do the configuration in Jenkins? Go to manage Jenkins, configure and sonar. Once you have that respective plugin. Okay, so just some brief overview steps if how you can use it through Docker image also, how it looks like in Windows as well. Is basically listen on a port 9000. So using Docker run -d -hyphen name SonarQube, and then you can see the pages like this. Okay, so I'm quickly proceeding with the lab. So I've created my EC2 server here. So let me go through the exact steps. So initially, first I have to install as part of prerequisites Java. I have to install. Let me open my notepad where I have the steps so that copy paste will be easy. You should not copy paste from the document. These are the steps for Jenkins. Let me go to my Sonar. So as part of prerequisites, I'm going to install the Java 11 first. So once the Java 11 package install, I'm going to get this duplicate. So if you basically see here, this particular package, binaries.sonar source.com, you have a distribution. Under distribution, you have something called SonarQube. Under this, you have a package. So I'm going to, once the Java is done, I'm going to get this package. Duplicate is the command to extract the package. So once I get the package, so what do I need to do? I need to use unzip. So once I unzip the package, once I get the package, I have to move the package to the OPT folder. I got the package. So I have to do with the root sudo su hyphen cd home EC2 user, because under this only I have my package cp hyphen r. Go here, go to your opt folder, then cd opt. Basically, your package needs to be owned by Sonar, because this is a Sonar, right? So I have to create a username and password. So what is the command for creating a user? User add, and what you have to set the password. So let me do that. User add is a Sonar I'm using. For setting up a password, I have to use my wish. If the password doesn't match, okay. So password is got set successfully. So once the password is set, what you can do is you can change the ownership of this particular folder. CHOWN hyphen R sonar colon sonar. Now you can see the ownership. Yeah. Now the ownership is with Sonar. So what do we need to do is sudo su hyphen sonar. Now you can go to opt folder with the Sonar. Now go to this directory. You have something called bin directory. Under the bin directory, you have Linux, because this is my Linux machine. So you can do the start and stop with Sonar. So before that, we have to do something here. Okay, so you have to set the nano file. I'm opening the another session because sometimes it will get hang. I have to connect to my EC2 instance again so that I can do the changes to the nano file. Really, I have to go to always to download because my keys are available in. It's not copied. Okay. VASUDO. This is the nano file. Okay, I have to do it with the root sudo su hyphen VASUDO. Now this is my nano file. I have to go to where the wheels option is there. Come down a little bit. There is a wheel option. Yeah. So here are the two places we have. Now I'm going to type here as an sonar. All is equal to all sonar. All is equal to all. You have to configure this, and then Control O is to save it, and then Control S so that you can come out. Control X. So it's not coming out. So that is fine. I'll keep this session aside, or I'll close it. So if I try to give Control X, it's not coming out, so I'll close it. Yeah. I did the changes. My changes are going to reflect. So if you want to cross check, sudo su hyphen root. Okay. So you have to. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me try to start a sonar here. So my sonar is started. Let me check my sonar status. Okay, SonarQube is not running. So this, when you get this kind of issues, you have to upgrade your Java. Your PID is not picking up on 11, so I'll go with the. Okay, I have to go with the root and then install. Exit out of Sonar and now install Java 17. Once the Java 17 is ready, then you can go to the respective sudo to Sonar, sudo su hyphen Sonar, and then cd opt that particular package, SonarQube package, bin directory, and Linux. Now again try to start it. Okay, started. Status. Perfect. Now my SonarQube is running. That's it. So once my SonarQube is running, what you need to do, you need to have your Jenkins server, go to manage Jenkins. Okay, this basic steps you have to do after configuration of a plugin. Go to manage Jenkins, system, Sonar, and go to manage Jenkins, global tool configuration, Sonar scanner, and there you can configure it. So once your Sonar is able to access, you just need to access it through the browser. And one more thing I need to do here is I need to go here, go to the instance. So I need to enable the inbound rule, which is gonna listen on 1990. Sorry, 9000. Go to security groups. Inbound rules, add rule, let it be custom. I'll go with the 9000. I'll go with the anywhere option, save rules. Let me try to access that in the browser. If it is going to load, that's well and good. If not, that's what the process is. So the basic steps to, you have to get the package, you go to that particular package, you create a user, and you do the configuration changes in the nano file, and then you change the ownership. Once you change the ownership, you can try to start, stop, restart in the bin directory respective commands. If you face any issues of PID like this, you upgrade your Java version. Okay, I hope you guys are clear on this. Let me try to connect to the Sonar server if it allows me. Let's see. Normally it need a more capacity, so we don't have that capacity as part of retry. Let me give it a try. It is 9000 because it's listening on 9000, correct? The sonar capacity needs more actually. So in your free trial, mostly it won't run. So normally I'll show you the a browser, how you do it. Okay, it's not loading. Sonar, yeah, sonarcloud.io projects. Okay, this is how the browser looks like. Sorry guys, my system is little loading a little bit slow. So basically the Sonar is used for code verification purpose to check the quality of the code. Okay, so how you install the Sonar, how you create a Sonar user, how you do the configuration file changes in a nano, and then how to start and stop the Sonar. So how the Sonar looks like if your that URL and inbound rule works, this is how it looks like. Okay, what I've done is I have configured one of my repository. So if I just click on this repository under my projects, this is the quality of the checks. Duplications zero, reliability, security. If you click here, if you have to see that, how the look and feel of Sonar looks like. See, simple Maven app Srinivas. So this is the branches, pull request, collapse, some issues. If issues are security issues, reliability issues, maintainability issues. If nothing is there, accepted issues, code coverage, duplications, secure hotspots. If you go to issues, it might be a bugs, it might be a duplicate of line of code, it can be anything. Okay, it can be in your vulnerabilities, security vulnerabilities. All checks will be done here. This is how the overall look and feel of a Sonar. Hope you guys have got a comfortable idea. If you really have a configure Jenkins already in your machine, then what you have to do, go to your manage Jenkins. You have to integrate some of the plugins. Go to in manage Jenkins, you have to configure a credentials. Under manage Jenkins, go to credentials, go to global, and then credentials. Maintain it as a secret text, and then you can add the Sonar token over there. Once you added a Sonar token, then you go to manage Jenkins system Sonar, and then configure the Sonar URL and the username and password, which is again a token. Uh, you have to go to manage Jenkins global tool configuration SonarQube scanner. So this video is basically to make you understand how to install Sonar, how to configure Sonar, how the Sonar looks like feel in the browser. Okay, I hope you guys are clear on this. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching my video. Please click on like and subscribe my channel so that I can make a quality content videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Stop it.